NordVPN Black Friday and Cyber Monday deal for 2025. Stop browsing. If you've been waiting for the biggest security discount of the year, it's here. The official NordVPN Black Friday and Cyber Monday deal for 2025 is live, and it's the lowest price of the year. Forget searching for random expired coupon codes. NordVPN has already applied the maximum discount directly through one link. You're looking at savings of up to 77% off the standard rate. Plus, they're throwing in 3 extra months of protection for free on the 2-year plan. This locks your price in at just $2.99 per month for the basic plan. This Black Friday deal gets you the fastest speeds on the market, the toughest no-logs encryption, and essential features like Threat Protection Pro to block malware and ads while you shop the holiday sales. Now, before this deal gets pulled off the shelves, you need to click the link in the description below. That link is the key. It automatically applies the discount and secures your 3 free months right now. And don't miss the value of the bundles. For only $1 more per month, you can upgrade to the Plus plan and get NordPass, the top-rated password manager. It's a complete cybersecurity package at a price you will not see again until next year. This deal is only guaranteed through Cyber Monday. Don't risk paying full price next month. Click the link in the description right now and lock in your discount. Your digital privacy starts today.